When I see somebody reach dining room, I feel wow, what a dining room, so beautiful. Gold diamonds, there gold का वो पहिया होता है, something so very beautiful. So when I see that, wow, what a beautiful dining room. So again I think like everybody, भगवान ने जिसको भी जैसे भी रखा है अच्छा रखा है समझ कर कि उसके लिए क्या ठीक होगा. So it's just like look, it is said that we shouldn't be antisocial. हमको किसी के साथ मिलना चाहिए, फ्रेंडशिप करना चाहिए, लोगों का घर आना जाना ज़रूरी है. But then you shouldn't mix with everybody. There is a difference in rich and poor. When the rich see the poor or poor see the rich, there is something in the heart which cannot be tell. But he's using such a beautiful thing, sofa and मैं floor में बैठ रहा हूँ, something like this. So there is something you should always remember. Then somebody is so poor, begging कर रहा है for money, this and that, and then she come on say afterlife can be an angel if he is a good person. She is a good person, he can be an angel. So this will also say that don't stop the progress of somebody. तो ठीक है आज पुअर है, कल धीरे धीरे अच्छा हो जाएगा. आज थोड़ा अगली है, कल शायद प्लास्टिक सर्जरी कर ले या फिर एनीथिंग, he will look good one day. So don't stop the progress. There are healthy fighters. You should understand this thing. And anywhere when you say that, listen, without talking with somebody, you are not talking with somebody, you are not not doing friendship with many people. That is an anti-social. But you know what? When there are limits to talk with many people. There are barriers. We should maintain all the barriers. Let the progress happen. But slowly, something like this. Not too fast. Let it die. Not like this. So. It is also said that when who are your public, who are your audiences, what matter, from what backgrounds they are. They may be poor, they may be rich, they may be male, there may be males, there may be females, there may be age groups. So many things need to concern. सबको सब कुछ बोलने से सबका दिमाग में नहीं घुसता. Let it be clear. And we are different, it's true, and that's why we are good, because there are some safety measures. We should understand it. Even if the chameleon, what God given him the power of changing his skin, wherever he goes, he changes skin. It's like chameleon. So the rich is good in his existence. The poor is also good. The poor will progress. And whatever the destiny with the rich person, may be poor or can be multimillionaire in future, they are doing progress like this. So whoever is your audience is also matters. Can be a villager, can be a highly class modern people. So all will not understand you. Don't expect that everybody will understand you. Don't expect that everybody will be your clone. We follow a little, but not we don't become a clone. So we need to care about it.